Today we're going to be reviewing area and circumference of circles. And so our essential question is, how do we get area and perimeter from a circle? Okay, so reviewing from the past years, the area of a circle, we know that it is A is equal to pi r squared, right? R is our radius, A is our area, and pi is just a number 3.14, and it goes on forever and ever, right? Our circumference, C, is equal to 2 pi r. And again, 2 and pi are a number, and r is a radius. Okay, so if we have like this example over here, where in the center, we have a dot right in the center, and the radius is going to be 5 inches, right? What is the area and the circumference of the circle? Okay, so first, our area, we know is pi r squared. Okay, so we need to know what r is, right? And in order to get our radius or our area. Okay, so our area is equal to pi 5 squared because our radius here is 5 inches. When I put this in the calculator, I only want to do 5 squared, and to do that, it'll just be 5 times 5, or 5 squared, which is our 25. We are left with a pi, so I want to put that pi there. Okay, this right here is going to be an exact answer. An exact answer. If you want an approximately answer, you have to do 2 squiggly lines, kind of like an equal sign, but they're kind of squiggly. And you're going to multiply 25 and pi. When you do that, you do get a very long number because pi is an irrational number. And if you multiply that with a real number, your result will be an irrational number. Okay, so I'm going to round to the hundreds place. And I should get 47.54. And our units is going to be inches squared. And that's the same for here, so inches squared. Right, so this right here, 78.54, this is an approximate answer. It's kind of like, it's not going to be our exact answer because this number goes on forever and ever. The way to say that this is an exact answer will be 25 pi, but in assessments, you guys will see just the regular approximate answer. Okay, so our area for this circle is 78.54 inches squared. Right, let's find the circumference. So here we have C equals 2 pi r, right? And let's do the same thing. So we got 2 pi, our radius we said was 5, right? So this time I'm not going to do 5 squared, I'm going to do 2 times 5. 2 times 5 I know is 10, but I still have that pi, so this is my exact answer, right? This is my exact answer. If I want an approximately answer, I can put an approximately sign. Approximately 10 times pi is going to give me 31.42, and our units, don't forget, is inches squared on both of them. Okay, both of these answers are great answers, and I'll accept both of them. But make sure on test you know which one is which. So if it has a pi, you can use the exact answer. If it doesn't, you can use the approximately answer. Okay, let's do one more. Okay. Let's say on this one we have a diameter of 12 centimeters. Right? Radius and diameter are two different things. You need 2 radiuses to get one whole diameter, right? So our area is going to be pi r squared, but we don't have a radius, so we need to make one, right? So half of 12 is going to be 5. So our half of 12 is going to be 6. So our radius is 6. Okay. So we got our area is equal to pi 6 squared. Let's go ahead and get our exact answer. So our area with our exact answer is 6 times 6, or 6 squared, which is 36. And then don't forget our pi. Okay, this is our exact answer. If you want an approximately answer, we can go ahead and put A is approximately 2, our area is approximately 2, or estimate of the area is 36 times pi, or 113.1 centimeters squared. Remember, I'll accept both of them as long as you put the correct symbol in front. This is an equal sign. This is a approximately sign. Our circumference, which is circumference is equal to 2 pi r, we have 2 pi times 6. Let's do 2 times 6, which will give us 12. So we got circumference is equal to 12 pi. Or if we want circumference is approximately 2, we can do pi times 12, which will give us 37.7 centimeters squared.